How to resolve Silhouette Studio has encountered an error issue. Step 1. Click the Windows search bar and type in %programdata%. Step 2. Open the %programdata% file folder from the search result. Step 3. Locate the Silhouette Studio file, right-click and select Delete. Step 4. Delete every folder that says Silhouette. Step 5. Close the Program Data file window. Step 6. Right-click Recycle Bin and select Empty Recycle Bin. Step 7. Click Yes in the pop-up prompt to proceed. Step 8. Now click the Silhouette Studio icon to open. Step 9. When you get the Silhouette Auto Updates prompt, check the Check for Updates box, then click OK. Step 10. Click Continue in the Silhouette Studio Performance Improvement Program screen. Step 11. Now the Silhouette Studio program should load without any error. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.